Hello, hello, and welcome to Womble's Hive. Merry Christmas, you peoples. I was going to say y'all then, and then I was like, I'm not American, I can't be using that. This is Archie's online persona. Feel free to jump in there and grab any of these gorgeous shiny paints. And this is Archie's countdown to Christmas. So this is gravy, and as I twist it there, you can just about see the lovely tiny glittery goldness that's living inside this paint. It's really nice. So let's have a look for number 9. Did anybody decide what sugar cookies might be? There it is. I don't know, because I'm not 100% sure what a sugar cookie is. So, here we go. We've got the gingerbread people again. Cute. I hope you guys are enjoying these as much as I am. So, it's a beautiful blue package. So, what colour do we think sugar cookies is? Are you ready for the reveal? Ta-da-da-da! Ooh! It's like a deep vanilla cream. Nice. Let's add some water and see what happens. Oh, it's got iridescence in it. I can see it lifting. Not seeing any glitter just yet. That's sinking a little bit. Because we want to get the pigment as well as the shine. Right, let's give this a go. I'll just move that over a bit so I don't stick my hand in it. Ooh, this is lovely. Look at that colour. Oh yeah, that's a nice shine. Even before it dries, that's well shiny. Don't know if you saw it all jump out in the water there as well. Right, let's have a look. It's a lovely yellow, probably say white yellow, pastel yellow gold. You can see a little bit of the shimmer there, but I'm sure when it dries it's going to be super shiny. So that's sugar cookies. To be fair, I could eat that colour, it does look edible. And if it's as shiny as it seems, I can see it being good for sunrises as well as your Christmas cards. But let's let that dry, and I will wish you a good evening. Enjoy your night. Let me know what you think of this colour. If this colour didn't make you smile, find something that does. And as always, be happy.